Hello everyone, welcome to Scionage Multiconcept. My name is Clement Akovujo, and in this video I will be showing you three simple methods of removing background from your pictures. So here we go. In this segment, I will be showing you how to remove your image background using the background remover tool. It is an application which you can find on your smartphone stores. For Android users, go on to Google Play Store, search for background remover, and you will find the application there. Also, I'll be dropping a link to the application in the description below. Thank you. Now, let's go over to background remover tool. I have it on my phone here, so I'll just click on it and automatically this application will load up. It does not require the use of internet services. All right. So once it's load up, when it has load up, all you need to do is click on load a picture, go to your phone gallery, select whatever picture uh, you want to remove background for, and then click on that image. Now we have selected our image. The next thing we want to do, if you look at the instruction at the bottom, it says crop as much as possible. That means that you need to show the borderline for where your image, the background of your image can be removed from. It gives the AI system of this application a place, an option of removing totally any other part that does not belong in your remover's space. So all you just need to do is to crop the image, bring it as close as possible to the image you want to remove background for, and then look at the top right of the screen and click on that mark done. So when you have done that, you can see that our image has been cropped. The next thing we want to do now is to erase the background. Now, I want to also let you know that this particular application is more or less a manual, uses the manual method of removing background. It will remove the background, roughly remove the background, but you're left to clean it up yourself. So how do we do this? You can see the cursor at the middle of the image. If you touch it, for instance, let me touch it, you can see it has affected, it has erased a part of our image. For us to go back, we come down to this point here and tap on one, and it has undid that particular mistake there. So now, for us to use it to remove this background, all we just simply need to do is tap on any side of the screen and remove that cursor from the image itself. Now, once we've done that, go to Auto, click on Auto, and you can see that the cursor sign has changed. And wherever you place it on now will automatically be removed. Now, if you want your threshold for your image, for your background to remove all around the image, you can increase that using this value by increasing or reducing the value here. Okay, it tells the cursor how much value of the background that can be removed. So we're going to do that using the auto tool now of this application. Now, once I place the cursor on the image, see what happens. You see that part of the image has been erased. Now, I take the cursor, I move it out, I move it round to the other side, and I click on it, and you see that part too removes. What this application does is it selects the picture which the center point of our cursor plays upon and remove the colors that are attributed to that particular part of the picture. So if you have a darker shade, a lighter shade, it may probably not remove it all. Now, if you look at our image, you see some part of it is not totally removed. You can move your cursor along that line and put it on it, and it's removed. So all you just need to do is carefully place your cursor along the line, and then keep doing that until it removes your background. All right. Now, the next, we can take it to the other side and it will do the same as well. All right. You keep placing it carefully and it removes the background. Now, you can see that our background has been removed from this image. The background has been removed from this image, but one thing is there. I can assure you that the image is not totally clean. All right. How do I mean? If you look now, you can see we have our white transparent background. You have the option of changing it to a black or a dark transparent background so that you can be able to see which part of the image has not been erased. So you can come down here to this BG color, click tap on it, and you see the background has changed. Now, if you look at the edge on the left side, you can see that that part of it has not been cleaned. You look at some part of the screen, you can see certain dots showing you that the image has not been cleaned. If you download it this way, you're going to have those unclean parts in your with your image. So what do you do next? You go on to manual, and then you manually do this yourself. Now you can see the cursor has changed. Now I want to, once you are doing this, be very careful. Where you make error, hit the undo button to clean it out. So you can see that I'm doing this myself and I'm being careful, moving it along the line. One thing with this method is that oftentimes it is not 100% totally erased. So it depends on your mastery of this particular application. All right. But it does the job. Oftentimes, yes. Most times. So you keep moving it around. You keep moving your cursor around and ensuring that all the edges are properly cleaned out the way it is supposed to be. So that is how you use the background remover tool. Now, when this is done, I want to show you another thing. If you have a whole field, like probably around this part side of the image, and there is nothing obstructing you from cleaning, you can as well increase the cursor size here by increasing the value, and then you have a whole lot of, so when you clean, it's faster for you to clean. But when you are working on edges and you want to be very careful in what you clean, you just reduce the value, the size of the cursor, and you use it at the edge, okay, like this. And that is how you can remove background from images using this particular application. Once you have done with cleaning your image, the next thing you do is go up to the top right and click on done. When you are done, you have the option of making this edge of your image smooth. So how do you do that? You can increase the value down here by tapping on smooth 0, 1, 2, 3, increasing the value as much as you want. So I'll just tap on 2. Now you see there used to be white edge around. Okay, you can see white edge around the image, and then I just tap on 2, and you can see those edges have disappeared, and our image is ready to be downloaded. So what do? We tap save at the top right part of the screen, and then we download our image. Rate this app no or later, and then go to the top right part and tap finish, and our image is downloaded. All right, that is all. That is how to remove background image using the background image remover tool. See you guys in the next segment. All right, guys. In this next segment, I'll be showing you how to remove background from your images using PhotoRoom, the PhotoRoom application. All right. I will drop the link to this application also in the description below. Go, if you're an Android user, go to your Google Play Store. You can as well access that application on your Play Store and download it. Then you can use it to carry out this tutorial. Now let's go to our photo room application. So I'm searching for my photo room. Okay, here I have it. Tap on photo room. This particular application uh, uses the internet service. So you need the application you need internet service to access this application. Now you can see it has loaded up different options for what you want to do with your picture, but that is not the purpose of this tutorial. What we want to do with our photo room today is to remove the background of an image. Now, I want you to also, something I forgot to mention earlier with the background remover tool, complex images with various backgrounds are usually more difficult to clean using the background tool. One of the easiest way to do that is to use PhotoRoom. PhotoRoom has a better processor for removing all colors of background automatically. So what do I mean? Let me show you. Hit on the start from photo button down here and select an image, right? Go to your gallery, select an image, and you can access what you want. You can access your image in your gallery and then import it into the application. then we can work with it. Now, I'm searching for the image I want to use. All right, so I'll just click on this and scroll down. I have an image here. So I'm going to use this image, right? The moment you import the image into your photo room, it starts cleaning it. There is nothing else you need to do. All you just need to do is import the image into your photo room application, and as long as your internet service is up and strong, it will just do the job simply. Now you can see different options of our image. Whatever you want to do with them, it automatically even do the graphic design work for you. You can check out the image here. You want to change the background, you want to do something else with the background, it does all that for you. You can see this. Let me show you this. You can see what it did for you here. If this is what you want, you can just do this, and that is all. You want to edit it and make it look fanciful, using this sample template, you can come here, do all you want to do, resize it, use the text option, change your fonts, do whatever you want to do here, right? And you still have a good result. But that is not the purpose of this tutorial. What we want for this tutorial is to remove the background. Now, on the top of our screen here, you can see this particular image. What's happened there? The background has been removed. So what you can see here is the transparent background. So it means that only this image is standing alone. There is no background with this image. You can take this image, import it into a graphic design and do whatever you want to do with it. All right. So now that this image background has been removed, the next thing we want to do is to just download it. Simply download it. You don't need to waste much time. So we'll just go to the top right part of our screen, tap on that download button, and you see export to gallery. And that is it. We're done with removing image background using the PhotoRoom application. All right, guys, welcome to the last segment of this tutorial video. In this segment, I'll be showing you the third method of removing image backgrounds. Now, I will be using I'll be using a website to do this job. And this is my favorite method of removing background from images. It is so simple, so easy to do that you don't even need to fret, right? Now, all you just need to do is go to your Google, type in Remove.bg or Remove.bg. Once you type it in and you hit the search bar, on the result page, you will on the top of the list in the result page, you will find Remove.bg, www.remove.bg. Just simply click on it, and that link will take you to the website. All you just need to do is click on upload, go into your gallery, select the image you want to use, and that is that. All right, select the image you want to use and carry out, and the site will just do the work for you, absolutely free. Though they have the option of they have a pro version where you have more options of doing a lot of things on the site. But to remove the background of an image is it's just as simple as ABC. All you just need to do is import the image into the site, and the site does the job for you. And you download it and you go check it out. Thank you. So now I will be selecting the image. I will select an image with a complex background, and then I will show you how it works using Remove.bg. So I'm going to use this image, right? Automatically it will be done in less than a second. See that? Simple, very clean. You do not need to do anything else here. All you just need to do, click on download, the blue button download, and it will just simply download your image. Now my image is done. You can see that the background has been removed here. It is as simple as ABC. All right, see you guys in the next tutorial video.